Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change keyboard for HP 640 G3. So this is the laptop. We are going to change the keyboard. So turn the laptop over and then remove all the screws. So I've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screws attached. I'm going to So once all the screws are removed, just make sure there isn't any attached. We'll remove the back panel. This one I have opened before, so it came off quite easy. You can use any plastic bit, sharp plastic, just to tilt a bit, and then inside, then you will come off easily if you just slide the plastic over. The plastic will come off easily. So now we've got a hard drive bay here and 2 RAMs. Now before we touch anything, we're going to remove the battery just to be on safe side, because we will be unplugging the keyboard. So we're going to remove the battery first. There you go. I will turn the laptop over. Now we'll remove 2 screws, one here and one here. So we'll remove them screws. Turn the laptop over. Now use any sharp plastics just to now the keyboard has come off. It's plugged in here, so we're going to remove that. So we just pull this plug, just gently pull that and we'll unclick. Now you can remove the keyboard. Now same way, the make sure if you are holding it right way. Just plug that in. Hold it and then close the plug. Okay, and that will hold the cable. Just make sure it's clipped in all the way. We're going to see if the laptop works. So the keyboard is working okay. We'll plug the charger in and then press the power button. So he's going to the BIOS menu. So the laptop is working, the keyboard is working. Now we'll turn it off. And tighten the screws. Them two screws doesn't come off, so just keeps on hanging, so I just left it. I will put the battery back in. Just make sure all of them are tight enough. And we'll put the back cover in. Just do some gentle push and then put all the screws back in. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.